Brother, why is there so much plastic on this road? This is not right. We have to clean it. You are right. I have an idea. We can recycle it. Brother, we have grown the watermelons, but those bad chihuahua will come again. Do not worry, I will think of something.
Huh? Help!
Brother, your projector idea was very good. Yes, now they will not trouble us for many days.
I will buy all your watermelons.
Thank you, Uncle. Brother, we got so much money. Yes, we will give some money to the old age home and keep some for ourselves.